And what's going on, everybody? We are cracking open Rigor Motor. Check it out.
On Hot Wheels Collectors, Hawaii.com.
All right, so here we go. We got about like 5 of them. Plus, we got the mystery pack over here.
Yep.
And, you know, you're probably saying, that looks more like a Halloween thing. You are right. But at the time, we didn't have all of them, so...
Yeah, because this Series 4 just came out, right?
So we didn't have it during Halloween.
This was the ending of December. But I didn't know there was a Rigor one in here until I started going through it. So let's start with that one since it's the soonest. I'll grab my
Because it's the soonest?
The soonest.
Yep, new words in the Urban Dictionary over here. Soonest.
It's talk mock.
What is mock, sir?
Okay, so here's the Rigor.
No. Explain what is mock, sir.
That is our own slang. Okay, so let's grab it.
I never heard that a long time. Mock.
Oh, look. I didn't even know that. Well, I've never seen it because I didn't buy Series 4 because this was a very good series.
And this is why we're not sponsored.
And it's called the Mega Bat.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
So if you guys take a good look at the Rigor Motor, it's basically a coffin.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know if it was biting Grandpa Munster's car, but...
I was just going to say that. I do have that, too.
Yeah. That was done by Mr. Barris.
Oh, he did that, too?
Yeah. I believe he did.
I don't know.
I think he did.
Does that mean he also did the Monsters car?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, that would make sense now.
And he did this. He did the Batmobile too. So, and if I'm wrong, then
sorry, Mr. Barris.
Yeah, sorry, guys.
But it's cool enough to mention him anyway.
Yeah, of course. The guy's a genius. He made like classic cars, man.
So I think this is a 2017 release. So we're starting with the newest and going to old. So now it actually says Rigor Motor on the side.
Yeah. For the guys that don't know what it is.
Yeah.
You know, it's so funny. It says Rigor Motor on the side.
Yeah.
Yet some T-hunts don't even say treasure hunt.
I know.
You got to take a guess.
I like that one. I don't know why I like these Rigors, except that I have a very extensive funeral car collection. I do have hearses and limos.
You're just a morbid dude, man. You like dead stuff, bro. So you got all those stuffed cats and stuff in your house.
They're not stuffed cats.
You know, I scared go to his house all the time because I might end up on the wall, bro.
It is a bat. I bought a bat. Oh, that would have been cool to put with this too. But,
okay, so that's 2 with the skull. Okay, you got the red one. I guess it's just a color variant because there's a skull on that one. But the yellow one, there's no skull on it.
No,
or
this one has...
it is a face, but it's a different face.
Oh, hello, it's not even in. There you go.
Yeah. See?
Yeah.
So we're going to see if all the rest of them have a face on it, a skull.
Yeah. So the last 3, I'm not sure if they're going to be in release order because...
Yeah, we couldn't do them consecutively every year. Kind of hard for do that.
Actually, they are because this one says copyright 2000.
Then, you know, we just lied, bro. Sorry, folks. We really don't know what we're doing.
Oh, that one looks nice.
I like the red. See, what's the trip is you have this dome over here, which is a little bigger. The mystery one, so look at the mystery one. That's a little smaller. And look at the other 2. Those are even smaller. It's like a round bubble.
Oh, you know what? These are the same casting.
Okay, so the yellow looks a little bit bigger because I guess maybe of the color that threw me off opposed to the clear.
Let me pull out the video just there you go. Yeah, so you can see the windshields on them. Yeah, all the same. But when you put these on the side and you bring this in,
I like that. I like the gold motor with the gold windshield. I like that.
Yeah, I like that one.
And there's no face on it, but the gold really accentuates everything else.
But it has skulls. Bones.
Oh, is that what that is?
Bones, okay. Yeah, it's still cool.
Yeah, it is.
I think I found all of these at like a thrift store, you know. I mean, Expo.
Oh.
Here's the next one.
Oh, that looks re-glued.
Oh, you know what? This one's a different casting. No, it's not.
No, it's the same casting
Recolor.
as the
Yeah,
orange one. Because the
Yeah.
bubble is a little bit bigger.
But you see the skulls?
Yeah, no, okay, that you're talking. Yeah, I couldn't
Yeah.
see the black one.
Yeah, you can't really see it. It doesn't come out very well. The lights, when I...
Oh, what's so cool is these are bats. I just noticed
I
them.
didn't even notice that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they're
that is
bats.
cool.
Wow. You
What
see,
does that say?
you learn on our channel.
Oh, it says Rigor Motors Racing.
Yeah.
I think I may have got these from a mom and pop candy store, in Nu'uanu. There's a neighboring gun store in it.
Oh, for real?
I was at the other store. And I was like, oh, you sell Hot Wheels. How much? She goes, oh, $1. And I looked at it and I was like, oh, these are all blue cards. Oh, she's like, oh, good. Oh.
Wow, somebody really re-glued that one in there. Is that Malay in Malaysia? Is that Malay over there?
For some reason, I thought you was going to say Millennium Falcon. Okay, here we
Yeah,
go.
because I don't know how to talk.
Oh, this one is really,
That's a nice red chrome motor, bro.
it's like all metal. Oh no, these are metal too.
Yeah.
This one's all metal.
See, what would be cool is you had that red motor with that red dome on top. That one, nice.
Oh yeah.
That would be cool.
This one's kind of really plain though.
Yeah, that's plain, but see, like the gold motor would have looked awesome on that black coffin.
Yeah. Just swap them out.
Yep. I don't know why they never make the headers and the pipes all like chrome red and they should have done that.
On this one.
Yep.
Yeah, that would have been kind of cool. But
You
maybe
see-
it sticks out better.
You see, Mr. Mattel, I get taste,
We should chrome that. Chrome
should.
that one. That one would make it look nice.
Yeah.
A lot better, at least.
Well, that's for our other segment, customization.
Yeah.
Okay, so there we have it. All rigor mortars right there. And of course, it's not Halloween, but that's okay. Just
okay.
because they're rigor mortars and they're coffins and it's a little morbid, that doesn't mean it has to be Halloween, okay?
Every day can be scary.
Every day can be spooky, bro. Hey, just you know what I'm saying?
Just spook out.
Yep. All right. So like and subscribe, ring the bell, and we got more stuff coming up. See you next time on
Hot Wheels Collectors, Hawaii.com.